Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a hydrating and soothing eye serum using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program, and then select the serum, the gel-like water-based one, and then click Create. First I'm going to select my actives, and I'm going to go with the hyaluronic acid powder. Next is my added extras, and I'm going to select the calendula extract for its soothing and restorative effect on the skin, and also the chamomile extract for its soothing abilities. For my humectant, I'm going to select the propane diol, and I'm going to pick xanthan gum as my gum. For my lippers, I'm going to select avocado oil as it's great for dry skin. I'm also going to select jojoba oil and macadamia because it's rejuvenating for the skin. And for my essential oil, I'm going to select the grapefruit. Next up is my antioxidant, and I'm going to select the mixed tocopherols. And last but not least is my preservative, and I'm going to go with the GeoGuard ECT. And then click Generate Method. And there you have a full formula and method, and now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a hydrating and soothing eye serum using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own eye serum. Happy formulating!